Assalamualaikum. This is MD Nurishak Hussain from Aqua Traveler channel. Hope that you guys are all well and safe in this pandemic situation. Some of my subscribers, not some of, many of my subscribers are from different country as I live in Bangladesh. So my mother tongue is Bengali, but those who are in foreign, they speak in different language. So some of them suggested me in my comment section that please make your video in English format or give subtitles in your video. So for that I came to conclusion that I will give one video per week, especially in Friday, which would be in English. That's that for introduction. I am going to start the video, the main content. The content will be about aquatic plants. It's a very basic content, so it won't be very difficult to understand you guys, as well as for my Bengali speaking native fellow countrymen, those who are my subscribers. Hope that this video will also be informative. So let's start my video. First of all, aquatic plants. I will show off my tanks. Here are my tanks. There is some low-tech plants I use. There is one. This is Amazonia forbid, and this is Hornot. The plant's health is quite good, and in each and every tank I just put plants because there is reason behind it. I will show another of my tank where I put some of plants, and the reason behind it I will explain those things, because you need to know for fish keeping, plant and fish is closely related. It will create a natural ecosystem in your tank, so it's very essential to put plants in your tank. So here is also, this tank is also covered with plants, same sort of plants. I use basically low-tech plants. So I will explain why I put plants in my tank. First of all, the reason behind putting plants in my tank is that it keeps the water quality top notch. That means it keeps water quality very good, because fish and fish food create ammonia, and that spoil the water, pollute the water. So it's very important to put plants in your tank, and the plants will absorb those nitrate materials for their nutrition and ammonia for their nutrition, and they will break down nitrate to nitrite, which is not harmful for fish. As ammonia breakdown, the tank cycle will be good for fish, and on the other hand the fish will feel comfortable in their residence, in their tank. There is a reason. This is one reason, and another reason is that plants will keep your water clean, because there are some plants, there are three types of plants. One is submerged, that means which is underwater. One is immersed, that means which is not upper level in water surface or under level. It's both level, it's connected with both level. And one is floating, that means the plants I showed you, one is submerged and one is floating. So this type of plants have stems, roots, and those things just suck down the waste particles of water that pollute the tank water. So sucking them with their root and stems, water will be clean and relatively very healthy for fish. So there are three different types of plant. One is low-tech, that means you need to have low maintenance for them. You don't need that much of oxygen or CO2 balance. And there is mid-tech, which need medium care or medium setup, and there is high-tech. Those plants are very sensitive and very expensive as well. So if you are a beginner and want to have experience with aquarium plants or ornamental plants as well as aquatic weeds or plants, you can have practice with low-tech plants. Those are cheap and quite tolerance in any environment, don't need to have any kind of maintenance whatsoever. And the main reason of putting plants in your tank it will create a natural environment which makes fish very comfortable live in that particular environment, because generally when they're in natural environment, they found this kind of environment, and if you replicate those environment in your tank, that would be much more good for them. And the last reason behind putting aquatic plants in your tank is that not only create a natural environment, but also it's just expand the beauty and exemplify your beauty in your tank. That will enhance the beauty of your tank. As you know, fish farming and ornamental fish also have a decorating purpose. So I am making a quick video because you guys requested, and I hadn't had any kind of preparation whatsoever, and my English is quite shaky today because I haven't had make any kind of video in YouTube in English language. Although if I continue, my fluency will be much more better in future videos. So I beg your pardon for my shakiness. I hope you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and press the notification icon to get update of my other videos. And thank you so much for supporting, as you are from another country, but watching you guys, when I figure out that you watch my video but couldn't understand my language of that videos, but only see my activities, I was just it feels very warming that you guys watch my content. So it's my responsibility to have something for you. So this video is dedicated to you guys, those who are foreign subscribers and my native subscribers as well. Thank you so much for supporting me. Take care.